Yeah, I was motivated to do the course because I've had a lot of EFT performed on me and have been in awe of its power, despite being a bit resistant to it to begin with. And my EFT therapist trained with Peter and Tamara. Because I work with people in other areas of health and well-being, I've started to want to keep using EFT to help them because I can just see all the different areas it could come in. So I decided that I needed to train in it so that I could add it into my options, and I took my therapist's recommendation to come and train with Peter and Tamara. The other thing I really noticed was after 4 days of tapping, the general theory is that stress levels reduce, cortisol levels reduce, and your whole reaction to life can change as a result. And so, something that would have been a lot more triggering to me in the past that happened because it just came up. I was just really surprised to see that my responses were really different, and my take on it was not at all what I expected in a really positive way. I was just way less reactive. And that wouldn't have been the case before 4 days of intensive tapping and learning. I would really genuinely be very, very happy to recommend Peter and Tamara as EFT trainers. I think their presence has just been quietly professional, sensitive, compassionate. They clearly know their subject inside out. And I just found that they both struck the right balance of letting us get on with it and find our way, which was really, they sort of inspire a trust that they believe we know what we're doing, but we're still completely holding the space so that we felt safe to do that, knowing they were totally aware of what was going on and always able to step in and help when it was needed.